Your franchise agreement lists specific commercial auto insurance requirements, but do you actually know what each part of that policy does and what it does not do? I am with Routeway 360 Insurance, and in this video, I am going to break down every component of commercial auto coverage for mobile tool dealers, so you know exactly what you are paying for and where your gaps might be. First, why does a tool dealer need commercial auto instead of just personal auto insurance? Personal auto policies exclude vehicles used for commercial business purposes. If you are driving a tool truck for your route and you get in an accident, your personal auto policy will likely deny the claim entirely. Beyond the coverage issue, most franchise agreements specifically require commercial auto coverage and require you to name the franchisor as an additional insured on the policy. The first and most important part of commercial auto is bodily injury and property damage liability, often called BI and PD. If you cause an accident, bodily injury coverage pays for the other person's medical bills, lost wages, and your legal defense costs if they sue you. Property damage pays for repairs to their vehicle or anything else you damage. Your franchise agreement specifies the minimum limits you must carry, but those minimums may not be enough. Higher limits are worth discussing with your advisor. Collision coverage pays to repair or replace your tool truck after an accident, regardless of who was at fault. If you rear-end someone, skid on ice, or get hit, and the other driver has no insurance, collision is what gets your truck back on the road. Comprehensive covers non-collision losses to your truck theft, break-ins, fire, vandalism, weather, and hitting an animal. For mobile tool dealers, this coverage is critical because tool trucks are a well-known target for theft. One important reminder, comprehensive covers the truck itself, not the tool inventory inside. That requires separate cargo or inland marine coverage, which we covered in another video in this series. Hired and non-owned auto coverage, often called HNOA, is something many tool dealers overlook. If you rent a vehicle to use on your route while your truck is being repaired, or if a helper uses their personal vehicle for business, HNOA provides liability coverage. One final coverage worth mentioning, uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage. Protect yourself from drivers with little or no insurance. If an uninsured driver hits your tool truck and totals it or injures you, UM and UIM coverage protects you when the at-fault driver cannot pay. Commercial auto is the foundation of every mobile tool dealer's insurance program. At Routeway 360, we review tool dealer policies every day, and we know exactly what franchise agreements require. Go to routeway360.com or call 8777929360 for a free review. Subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next video.